Every papaya begins its journey on carefully managed farms designed for large-scale production.
AI identifies the perfect moment each papaya should be harvested.
Once harvested, papayas are moved immediately to the processing facility to ensure maximum freshness.
Automation ensures gentle handling during every step. Papayas are sorted by size, ripeness, and quality before washing.
Freshly harvested papayas are thoroughly washed to remove any field residue.
Once cleaned, the papayas are dried to prepare them for precision processing. Every papaya is checked internally to ensure perfect ripeness. Automated slicers create consistent shapes ready for desserts and packaged fruit mixes. A natural enzymatic bath enhances flavor and prepares the papaya for premium dessert applications. Cooling stabilizes the papaya's structure before further refinement. Advanced optics ensure only the finest papaya slices move forward. This step ensures uniform texture, ideal for dessert applications.
Slices are graded into premium, standard, and processing quality categories.
Color calibration maintains the brilliant orange papaya consumers expect.
Robotic precision ensures consistent serving Gorton presentation. Filtration removes fibers, creating a smooth, premium papaya puree.
Temperature control preserves flavor while ensuring food safety.
A stabilizer blend transforms papaya puree into dessert-ready form.
Before packaging, Each papaya slice undergoes a final quality check.
Packaging takes place in a sterile environment to protect product freshness. Advanced laser cuts produce flawless papaya shapes for premium presentation. A protective aromatic mist maintains the papaya's fresh tropical scent. Even decorative elements are precisely controlled. Airtight sealing keeps each papaya dessert fresh and safe. UV sterilization eliminates surface contaminants without chemicals.
Expiration codes help track every batch from factory to shelf.
Automated palletizing speeds up distribution.
Every dessert is checked to ensure perfect cold chain temperature. Secure locking prevents any damage during shipment. Multiple production lines operate together to process thousands of papayas per hour. AI tracks every parameter to maintain precision and safety.
Material refills are automated to keep production continuous. Even papaya seeds are repurposed for natural oil extraction.
Papaya oil is purified for use in cosmetics and skincare products. The factory produces several valuable papaya products from a single fruit.
A highly coordinated transport system directs products to the correct destinations.
Laser-guided lanes keep the factory's logistics running smoothly. Every finished papaya product goes through this export hub before reaching global markets.
Temperature validation ensures the cold chain begins correctly.
Secure locking prevents vibration damage during transport.
Shipments depart daily to supply markets around the world. Water used to clean papayas is purified and reused, reducing waste.
AI oversees every stage of papaya processing with millisecond accuracy.
Sterility is critical in food production, and robots handle it flawlessly.
Taste testing ensures every dessert meets strict flavor standards.
Microbial scanning guarantees safety before products reach consumers. Automation allows the papaya factory to run 24 hours a day.
The entire facility undergoes scheduled sterilization to maintain top food safety standards.
Self-repairing conveyors reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Precision stacking prepares desserts for streamlined distribution. AI optimizes shipping routes for global delivery. Deep freezing locks in papaya flavor for long-term preservation. Pressure valves are tested regularly to maintain safe operating conditions. Even with automation, skilled workers ensure everything runs smoothly. Papaya aroma is purified for use in fragrances and food enhancers.
From fresh fruit to dessert to aroma extracts, every part of the papaya is used.
A full day of papaya processing ends, but production never truly stops.
From farm to dessert, the modern papaya factory transforms nature's fruit into endless possibilities.